Today, I'm going to the Agro-Industry fair of our city, and I hope they have a lot of variety for sale in there, like fruits and vegetables. And let's go. From what I have understood that fair, I think every barangay should have or has a booth in there selling something, and it's good to see what they are selling for this year. God, it's so crowded here. We're gonna get hit by a car. most of these stalls are very creative, and yeah, I think they're very well thought of, and there's a lot of effort thrown into this booth. I actually bought something but they don't have a bag, so I'll just go back to that store that sells a bag. They're already gone, so I guess I just have to hold this. I guess this is all I've got in that Agro-Industry fair. I hope this is sweet. I think this is called pomelo, I'm not sure, but yeah, this is what I got. That's it for today. I really enjoyed going there because I've seen a lot of varieties, and I'm just glad that the annual agricultural fair is back, because for the past 2 years that has been discontinued because of the pandemic, and now it's back and there's a lot of people already. Thanks for watching.